You don't have to get the expensive ones. You don't. Let us be honest. You see, most people will tell you, yeah, you know, that is what I started with, and I'm still using it even now. Depending on your budget, you can actually start with a manual. When I was starting out, I wasted a lot of money buying the tools that I don't even need, buying things I don't need them as a beginner. In this video, I'm going to share with you the beginner sewing tools you need to buy in 2026 without spending extra that can help you perfect your skill. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Faiza. I help beginners become fashion designers from scratch, even if you didn't go to fashion school and you're just starting out. If this sounds like you're in the right place. Before I get started fully, I want you to understand the fact that you being a beginner doesn't mean that you are not a fashion designer yet. This is a safe space for fashion designer where we talk about everything beginner friendly when it comes to fashion designing. The purpose of this channel is to help you gain more confidence in the field of fashion designing. And if you would want to see more videos like this from me, you'll want to hit on the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I share a new post. The first tool that you should have as a fashion designer is what we call a measuring tape. Let me show you what a measuring tape looks like. Now, this is what a measuring tape looks like. As a beginner fashion designer, you have to have this and get familiar with the usage. It is numbered from 1 to 60, and there is like an extra space there, probably like a 1 inch or 1 or 2 inch extra, depending on what the length of the person is or the dress that you're trying to cut. Now, you can always manipulate and find your way around this depending on what you're cutting. So, as a beginner, you must have a sewing tape. Yeah, very important. Another tool that you need to have as a fashion designer is what we call a fabric scissors. Yeah, it is a scissors that you use to cut out fabric. Now, yeah, this is it. For a beginner, you just starting out in fashion designing, you would want to have this. Yeah. This because without this, how do you want to cut your clothes? How do you want to cut the fabric? So you have to have this. If you are new here, if you are just seeing my video for the first time, I would want you to check out some of the videos that I've uploaded in the playlist. They are not just knowledge packed, they'll give you the confidence you need and help you get started. Now, if you've not watched this video, tell me, what are you waiting for? Yeah, go watch them. Another tool that you need to have as a beginner fashion designer are needles and thread. Now, this is what a needle looks like. Yeah, this is a needle and these are pins. You always have them plentiful. Now, these ones, they are also very important if you're just starting out as a fashion designer because you're going to want to be doing more of hemming and tacking. So you need this ones. Another tool that you need to have as a fashion designer, as a beginner fashion designer, is what we call an iron. Yeah. You need an iron to iron out fabric and the stresses you make. This iron will not only make your work neater and cleaner, it will also help you in opening up seams perfectly, in making the joiners to be neat and flat, make your clothes beautiful. You will need an iron to make your work neater and give it the perfect finish look. Another one that you need as a beginner in fashion designing is a sewing machine. Now, let us be honest. You see, most people will tell you, yeah, you don't need a sewing machine to be a fashion designer and the likes. People say that everywhere and there. To some extent, they are actually right. But when you now start advancing and learning complex fashion designing skills, you would need a sewing machine. Now, if you're just starting out, probably you're just starting the basis of fashion designing, you don't necessarily need a sewing machine. Yeah, because you'll be doing more of any working, learning how to cut fabric, how to join pieces together and the likes. Using hand needle for probably tacking and joining the pieces together, but especially when it comes to you using paper to cut out styles, patterns, and the likes. But now, when you've passed that stage, you would definitely need a sewing machine in joining fabrics together. As you're planning, as you're working towards becoming a fashion designer, you have to get a sewing machine. You don't have to get the expensive ones. You don't have to get the electronic ones yet. Depending on your budget, you can actually start with a manual sewing machine. That is what I started with, and I'm still using it even now. You can actually start with a manual sewing machine, the black one. Yeah, related to how much you have and how much you are willing to spend when it comes to getting either the electronic one or the manual one. So the price range for that shouldn't be more than 200, 350 here in Nigeria. It depends on your pocket. Now, the next sewing tools you need to have as a fashion designer are chalks. Yeah, you need chalk to mark out points when you are drafting and you are trying to cut out the fabric. Now, if you've watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed to the channel yet, kindly hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I share new posts like this.